Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi learners, welcome back to my channel with me, Miss Jelly. Okay, how are you today? Apa kabarnya hari ini? I hope you are good. And now we are going to learn about the simple past tense. Are you ready? Simple past tense. Okay, what is simple past tense? Apa itu simple past tense? The simple past is used to talk about activities. Simple past digunakan untuk menyatakan aktivitas-aktivitas or situations atau situasi-situasi that began and ended in the past, yang diawali dan diakhiri di masa lampau. Examples, contoh, yesterday, kemarin, last night, tadi malam, last week, minggu lalu, last year, tahun lalu, 2 days ago, 2 hari yang lalu, in 1990, di tahun 1990, ya. Most simple past verbs, sebagian besar kata kerja simple past formed by adding ed, dibentuk dengan menambahkan ed to a verb pada sebuah kata kerja, and some verbs, dan beberapa kata kerja have irregular past form, dan beberapa kata kerja adalah dibentuk dengan irregular, kata kerja tak beraturan. Mungkin bisa dilihat nanti the list of irregular past formnya, ya, daftar kata kerja past form irregularnya, kata kerja tak beraturan. Example, ya, coba lihat contoh. Let's look these examples. Andi stayed home yesterday. Andi berada di rumah kemarin. Andi stay, ya. We just add ed, ya. We just add ed in the last of the word, ya. Kita hanya menambahkan kata ed menambahkan kata stay ini dengan akhiran ed, ya. Stayed home yesterday. She arrived on time. Dia tiba tepat waktu. Ya, arrived. Yesterday, I called Jason on the phone. Kemarin saya memanggil Jason melalui telepon. Okay. Some these verbs, ya, kata kerja ini ditambah atau diakhiri by adding ed, ya, dengan penambahan ed in the ending of the word, ya, di akhir katanya. Okay, now let's look at the irregular past form, dibentuk irregularnya, ya, tak beraturan. Coba look this example. Jelly went to Jakarta last night. Jelly pergi ke Jakarta tadi malam. Oke, biasanya kalau di simple present kan kita Jelly go to Jakarta. Jelly pergi ke Jakarta. Jelly goes to Jakarta. Oke, Jelly pergi ke Jakarta. Every holiday misalnya kalau kita memakai simple present atau present time. Oke, sekarang karena kita memakai past tense, ya, di waktu lampau, jadi Jelly went to Jakarta last night. Waktunya kita pakai when, ya. Oke, next, I ate breakfast this morning. Saya sarapan pagi ini, ya. I ate berarti dia sudah makan, ya. I took a taxi to the airport. Saya menggunakan taksi, ya, ke bandara. Oke. Nah, this is some examples of irregular past form, ya, dengan kata yang tidak beraturan, and regular form, ya, dengan bentuk yang kata kerja beraturan, ya. Semua kata kerja beraturan, ya, semua verbs-nya, ya, form by adding ed, yes, dibentuk dengan ditambah ed in the end of the word, ya, di akhir katanya. Oke, sedangkan untuk kata kerja yang irregular verb, ya, kalian lihat di daftar irregular past formnya. Simple past dalam kalimat verbal dan nominal. Okay, let's look. Verbal, the primula subject plus verb to plus object plus a and a. Okay, subject I, we, you, they, she, he, it, ya, tinggal dipilih. Verb to, semua verb to, baik dia itu regular, kata kerja beraturan, maupun irregular verb, maupun kata kerja tak beraturan. Plus object, objek. Oke, objek itu kemana arah tujuannya. Oke, and then plus ana. And a ini adalah adjective. Bisa and ini noun, bisa adverb. Ya, adverb itu ada adverb of place, adverb of time. Oke, let's look the example. Nah, kita lihat example ini. The teacher went to the school yesterday. Guru itu pergi ke sekolah kemarin. Oke, next. If you want to make a negative, kalau kita ingin membuat kalimat negatif or pernyataan negatif, ya, kita hanya menambahkan did not after subject, ya. Kita hanya menambahkan did not setelah subject, dan ya setelah did not, ya, kata kerjanya verb want. Ya, walaupun dia past tense, dia tetap memakai kata kerja verb want karena setelah subjek kita tambahkan did, ya, plus object plus a and a. Alright, look at the example. The teacher did not go to the school yesterday. Guru itu tidak pergi ke sekolah kemarin. Alright, and then let's look the question statement. Ya, sekarang kita melihat pertanyaan, ya, pertanyaan. If you wanna make a question, kalau Anda ingin membuat pertanyaan, cukup menambahkan or put did in the front of subject, in the back of subject, ya, atau di depan kalimatnya, in the front of the sentence, ya. Cukup menambahkan did di depan subjek seperti ini, ya. Did plus subject plus verb one plus object plus a and a. Oke, jangan lupa question mark. Oke, now let's look the example. Did the teacher go to the school yesterday? Apakah guru itu pergi ke sekolah kemarin? Oke, if yes, yes he did. If no, no he didn't. Ya, if you wanna use short answer, no he didn't. Kalau long biasanya no he did not. Oke, yes she did, no she didn't. Oke, now is nominal sentence. Nah, bagaimana kalau di kalimat nominal? Oke, semua di kalimat nominal setelah subjek, baik itu I, we, you, they, she, he, it, itu kita memakai to be, ya. To be-nya dari past itu adalah wash and wear. Oke, plus a and a. Alright, look at the example. He was a teacher. Dia adalah seorang guru, ya, in the past. Dia adalah seorang guru. Alright, and looks, ya, itu sama halnya dengan kalimat verbal tadi, ya. Setelah subjek kita menambahkan setelah subjek plus to be plus not, kita menambahkan not, ya, untuk negatif statement. Example, he was not a teacher. Dia bukanlah seorang guru. Okay. Now he was not a teacher. Dia bukanlah seorang guru di masa lampau. But now, maybe, ya, sekarang he is a businessman. Kalau dia itu simple present, ya. Tapi karena kita berbicara past, maka to be-nya pakai was, bukan is lagi. Alright. And look at this. And if you wanna make a question, sama halnya seperti verbal tadi, kalau kita ingin membuat question, pertanyaan, kita hanya meletakkan, we just put to be in the front of the sentence. Kita hanya meletakkan to be di depan kalimat, baik itu memakai was atau were. Example, He was a teacher. Apakah dia adalah seorang guru? Was he not a teacher? Apakah dia bukan seorang guru? Ya, kita bisa menjawab dengan short answer. Yes, he was. Atau no, he wasn't. Past simple tense of verb to be. Ya, bentuk dari past simple menggunakan to be, yaitu to be dari past simple adalah was and were. Right. Formnya positif, negatif, and questioned. Bentuknya bisa positif, negatif, dan questions. Let's look the example. Alright. I was a student. Saya adalah seorang siswa. I was not a student. Saya bukanlah seorang siswa. If you wanna short from this, you can use wasn't. Was not, wasn't. I wasn't a student. Was I a student? Apakah saya seorang siswa? You were a teacher. Anda seorang guru. You were not a teacher. Anda bukanlah seorang guru. Sorry, let's repeat. You were a teacher. Anda seorang guru. You are not a teacher. Anda bukan seorang guru. You weren't a teacher. Anda bukan seorang guru. Question, were you a teacher? Apakah Anda seorang guru? Okay. She was a doctor. Dia adalah seorang dokter. Negative long. She was not a doctor. Short, she wasn't a doctor. Was she a doctor? Okay. He was a dentist. Dia seorang dokter gigi. He wasn't a dentist. Dia bukan seorang dokter gigi. Negatif. He wasn't a dentist. Dia bukan seorang dokter gigi. Question, was he a dentist? Apakah dia seorang dokter gigi? Alright. It was raining. Hari hujan. It was not raining. Hari tidak hujan. It wasn't raining. Was it raining? Apakah harinya hujan? Yes, it was. No, it wasn't. Bisa seperti itu ya, seperti pada contoh sebelumnya. Alright, we were hungry. Kami lapar. We were not hungry. Kami tidak lapar. Short, we weren't hungry. Kami tidak lapar. Were we hungry? Apakah kami lapar? And the last form is they were thirsty. Mereka haus. They were not thirsty. They weren't thirsty. Were they thirsty? Apakah mereka lapar? Yes, they were. No, they weren't. Ya, silahkan dijawab sesuai dengan pertanyaannya. Now let's go on to exercise. Complete the sentences using was and were. Coba kita melengkapi kalimat ini dengan menggunakan was dan were. To be-nya dari past ya. Okay, number 1 is he was very tired yesterday. Dia sangat lelah kemarin. Okay. And number 2, they were not very happy yesterday. Mereka tidak bahagia kemarin. Okay. Number 3, you blah 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 very angry with me last night. Oke, kira-kira apa jawabannya? Was atau were? Oke. Kalau you pasangannya, kalau biasa di simple present, biasanya you are. Oke. So, for the past, ya, are itu to be-nya were ya. You were very angry with me last night. Oke. Number 4, her doctor blah 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 not very helpful. Dokternya tidak blah 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 tidak sangat membantu. Oke. her doctor. She, he, it. Biasanya kalau di simple present kita memakai is, ya. Oke, so for the past we are using was. Okay, her doctor was not very helpful. Alright. Number 5. They. They. Biasanya kalau they ini ya, kalau di simple present we use they are in Jakarta. Now, misalnya mereka berada di Jakarta sekarang. Sekarang in the past, they were in Jakarta last week. Alright. And number 6, Mr. Robbie blah 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 not in the office yesterday. Tuan Robbie ya blah 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 not in the office yesterday, tidak berada di office. Mr. Robbie. Nah, kalau Mr. Robbie ini pakai was atau were? Use was or were? Ya, was ya. Mr. Robbie was not in the office yesterday. Alright. Number 7, I blah 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 in bed last morning. Saya berada di tempat tidur pagi tadi. So, I was in bed last morning. Okay, number 8. See blah 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 a beautiful baby. Okay, biasanya kita kan she's a beautiful baby kalau di present time. Tapi kalau di past, okay, of course we use was ya. She was a beautiful baby. Okay, number 9. Wati and Jelly blah 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 here last night. Okay, ini kan plural. So they ya, they biasanya kita pakai were ya karena lebih dari satu. So the right form is were ya. Wati and Jelly were here last night. Okay, number 10. It blah 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 a very nice letter. Alright. It, she, he ya, semuanya memakai from was. Alright, so the answer is it was a very nice letter. Complete this story by using was and were. Silahkan lengkapi cerita ini dengan menggunakan was and were. Okay? It was a beautiful day. Harinya cantik. The sun was hot and the sky bla 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 blue. Oke, coba kita lihat di sini the sky. The sky ini kan langit. So, langit itu kan plural or singular. Ya, singular biasanya kita pakai is kalau di present time. Kalau di past time kita pakai was. Oke, so the answer is was ya. Was blue. James and Wendy, James and Wendy, karena mereka di sini adalah two peoples, more than one, lebih dari satu. So we use were. James and Wendy were on the beach. They, ya, they mereka itu karena banyak. They were with their 3 children. Ya, mereka di sana dengan 3 orang anak-anaknya, ya, 3 children. The children bla 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 in the sea. Anak-anak berada di laut. So anak-anak, the children is plural or singular? Plural ya, karena banyak anak-anak. The children were in the sea. The sea, okay, the sea di sini adalah singular karena sea ya. The sea was a bit cold, but the children were very happy. Tapi anak-anak sangat bahagia. There di sana, kita lihat bla bla bla, lots of other children. Nah, berarti banyak ya. There were lots of other children in the sea too. Banyak juga anak-anak yang lain di sana. Some of them beberapa dari mereka. Nah, karena beberapa itu berarti dia lebih dari satu ya. So we use in the water with their parents. Wendy dan James. Ya, of course were ya, karena orangnya banyak. Were on the sand, and James karena James itu sendiri ya, was asleep, tertidur, with a book on his face, dengan buku di wajahnya. But suddenly tapi tiba-tiba there ada bla 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 Greek clouds. Oke, Greek clouds berarti dia singular ya. But suddenly there was Greek clouds all over the sky, and the sun was not hot anymore. Dan matahari tidak lagi panas. The beautiful weather, cuaca yang sangat cantik. Di sini dia masih singular, was finished, and there dan ada wet piknik yang basah. Berarti di sini there were wet picnics and wet people everywhere, dan banyak orang yang basah ya, karena tidak lagi hot katanya anymore. Okay, after we discuss about the form of to be ya, yang berbentuk to be tadi ya pakai was were. Sekarang kita membahas tentang past simple ending ed ya. Sekarang kita membahas simple yang berakhiran ed ya. Sama sepertinya kita memakai verb to yang memakai irregular tadi ya. Subjeknya I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Ya, semua kata kerjanya berakhiran dengan ed ya. Work misalnya, work it ya. Add ed to regular verbs. Alright. Let's read this example. Stay, stayed, rent, carry, carried, play, played, want, work, worked. Alright. Listen, listened, ya. Watch, watched, love, loved, stop, stopped, ask, cry, cried, opened, looked. Alright. Nah, nanti kalian tinggal complete ya this, tinggal add ya, tinggal menambah, just add ed in the last of these words. Alright. Now let's look the example. Ya, the sentence examples. She cried all night. Dia menangis panjang malam. Okay. Cry. Okay. Kalau cry ini coba dilihat lagi di list of regular verbs ya. Cry ini dia akan menghilangkan kata y-nya ini ya, berubah menjadi i ya, langsung disambung cried seperti contoh ini ya. Setiap kata kerja yang berakhiran ed ya bisa dilihat daftarnya di list regular verb. And the second, he stayed at home all lockdown. Dia berada di rumah sepanjang lockdown. Okay. It rained every day last week. Harinya hujan setiap hari akhir pekan. Now past simple irregular verb. Coba mari kita lihat di past simple verbnya. Let's look the example. We saw a good film last night. Kami melihat film yang bagus tadi malam. I bought English book yesterday. Saya membeli buku bahasa Inggris kemarin. Okay, next. They had a good time at the party. Mereka memiliki waktu yang baik pada pesta itu. She brought my book last week. Dia membawa buku saya minggu lalu. He went to Jakarta last week. Dia pergi ke Jakarta minggu lalu. You drank a glass of jam-jam water last year. Anda minum segelas air jam-jam tahun lalu. We read that book last month. Kami membaca buku itu bulan lalu. Okay. Let's look all of this subject. Semua subjek ini setelah subjeknya ya, semua di sini kalau kita lihat di sini adalah kata kerja tak beraturan or irregular verbs ya, kata kerja tak beraturan.